Welcome to lesson 12. Grab your journal. Okay, today what we're going to do, this is kind of fun. If you have a problem and it says this, n plus 5 equals 12. N. It's a letter, right? Sometimes what they'll do is they'll write letters in an equation. And what that means is we're figuring out what n equals. So n equals what? Well, what would we need to put in there? What plus 5 equals 12? How would we figure that out, right? If we have 5 of something, we need something more to equal 12. How would we figure that out? Would we go 12 subtract 5? Right? And 12 subtract 5 is 7. So does that give us what n is? 7? Because do 7 plus 5 equal 12? Yeah. So what we're trying to do is, here's our equal sign. We need this side of the equal sign and this side of the equal sign to always equal each other, right? No matter what it is. So we have 7 plus 5 here, and we have 12 here. So that equals each other, right? Yeah. Let's look at this one. X subtract 3 equals 9. Okay, we have two sides of the equal sign here, right? We have this side of the equal sign, and we have this side of the equal sign, right? We've got to make them equal each other. How are we going to figure out what this is? Well, something take away 3 equals 9. So what if we add 3 to this 9? What does that equal? 12, right? No. Yeah, 12. So does x equal 12? Yeah, right? Because 12 take away 3 equals 9. Yeah? Okay, let's try this one. Let's try 6 plus x equals 14. 6 plus x equals 4. We have to make it equal, right? Here's our equal sign. We need this side to equal this side, right? Can you try this by yourself? See if you can find an answer. Pause me and try it by yourself. Okay, did you get an answer? 6 plus what? So we have 6 over here, 6 dots over here, plus something is going to equal 14 dots. So I've got to figure that out. So I'm going to take away 6 from 14 here. So 14 subtract 6 is 8. So now, does 6 plus 8 equal 14? Did we balance this? Is this 14? Is this 14? Are these both 14? Does 14 equal 14? Yeah. Okay, let's do another one. Are you ready? We're gonna do 2. We're gonna do x plus 2 equals 20. And then we're gonna do 14 subtract a equals 3. Okay, so figure out what x is, and then figure out what a is. Pause me and try it. Did you get some answers? Let's see. Okay, here's this side of the equal sign, and here's this side of the equal sign. Okay, something plus 2 equals 20. We have something, and we're going to add 2 to equal 20. How are we going to figure that out? We're going to take away 2 from here. We're going to take away 2, right? So 20 subtract 2 equals 18. So 18 plus 2 equals 20. We balanced them, right? It's the same. The same here and the same there. Okay, now let's do this one. 14 take away something equals 3. How are we going to figure that out? Well, what if we add 14 to here? Will that give us our answer? No, that's not going to give us the answer. 14 take away something equals 3? How are we going to figure that out? What if we take 3 away from 14? 14, 13, 12, 11. 14 subtract 11. Does that equal 3? Did we make these equal? What's 14 subtract 11? 3, right? So 14 take away 11 equals 3. We made this side equal 3, and we made this side equal 3. Right? Okay, let's do this one. I'm going to tell you one. A number. So a number, we don't know what that is. I'm going to write down, I'm going to put a letter there, N. Minus 6. A number minus 6 equals 3. A number minus 6 equals 3. Okay, we're going to balance these. We're going to make this side equal this side. We've got these two sides here. How are we going to make this side equal this side? Well, if we got to figure out what this number is, why don't we add 6 to 3? So 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 take away 6. Does that equal 3? Yes. Equals 3, which equals 3. So 9 take away 6 equals 3, and 3 equals 3. So we made this side equal this side. Okay, here we go. Write this down as I say it. A number. So a number, we don't know it, so I'm going to put a letter. A number plus 8 equals 22. So a number plus 8 equals 22. Okay, we've got to balance these. We've got to make these the same so that this side of the equal sign and this side of the equal side of the sign are the same. So we have 22 here. We have plus 8 here. So we've got to figure out what this number is. So if we've got plus 8 here, why don't we take 8 away from this 22? So 22 subtract 8 equals 16. No, 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah. So now 14 plus 8. That equals 22. And this equals 22. So did we get it right? Yeah. Okay. I want you to practice these ones. Okay, ready? I'm going to write them down on here, and I'll say them to you. 1 plus x equals 34. 15 take away n equals 8. X subtract 4 equals 12. And 14 plus x equals 18. pause me and you can write those down. Okay, go ahead and practice those. When you check off your work today with somebody, they're going to ask you these ones, and you're going to make sure that you got the correct answers, okay? All right, have fun.